Welcome to ClearTask. Today I will show you how to extract audio from any video file using VLC Media Player. It is a quick, free, and straightforward process. Let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. In the top left corner, click on Media, and then select Convert/Save from the drop-down menu. You can also use the keyboard shortcut. Ctrl+RA, new window will open. Under the File tab, click the Add button. Locate the video file you want to extract audio from, select it, and click Open. Once your video is added to the list, go to the bottom of the window and click the Convert/Save button. This brings you to the Settings page. Look for the Profile section. Click the drop-down menu and scroll down until you find the option labeled Audio MP3. Select it. Next, you need to choose where to save your new audio file. Under Destination, click the Browse button. Choose your desired folder. When typing your new file name, it is highly recommended to manually add .mp3 at the very end of the name. Ensure the Save as Type is set to MP3 and then click Save. Finally, click Start. VLC will now process the file. The timeline at the bottom will move as it converts. Once it finishes, navigate to your destination folder, and your new MP3 audio file will be ready to play. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask. For more simple step-by-step guides, thanks for watching.